Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a DIY video showing you how to refashion a men's shirt into a beautiful tie front blouse. This blouse turned out so good. I think it's so appropriate if you're going to be going on holiday somewhere warm. I got you. Just make this and you're good to go. So let me show you how to do this. All you're going to need is a men's shirt, some pins, an elastic band, and some fabric scissors. Now what I'm doing is I'm cutting off the sleeves because you're going to need to refashion them into some beautiful sleeves. So just cut them off, both of them. Once that's done, it's time to even them out, and I'm just cutting a straight line across. I didn't use a ruler or anything. This time I just eyeballed everything and it turned out okay, but you can use a ruler if you want a really straight line. It's all up to you. So what I'm doing is I'm using the first sleeve as a template for the second one. That way they're even and the same size. You don't want different size sleeves, trust me. Now I'm just measuring a gap for the elastic to pass through. Pin that down and fold that, and once you have it all folded, you are gonna sew it, obviously. So now sew all around and make sure you leave a gap for your elastic, that way it can pass through and you're good to go. Now it's time to attach your elastic, or rather pass it through your passage. So just take a bobby pin. Is this a bobby pin? Yeah. No? I don't think so. It's a safety pin. I'm sorry guys. Take a safety pin, attach it to one end of the elastic and push it through your gap until it comes out the other end. Once you have that done, just sew the two ends together, that way they stay put. Close the gap and this will be your sleeves. Now we're going to cut off a rectangular piece. Cut it as big as possibly possible. You can attach pieces together if you need to. Just make sure it's a very long rectangular piece that you can tie around your body. That way it ties at the front and is not showing everything and you're not flashing anyone. So just make sure it's long enough. Now I'm just cutting off the placket just to make sure there's no that annoying thickness when I tie my shirt. Taking off the buttons, and then I'm gonna open up the shirt and hem it all the way. So I'm going to hem it at the top and the bottom, and take your time. You just want this to look finished and like a finished product, not something you just cut up. Hemmed it, this is what it should look like. I also hemmed the end where I cut off the placket, and once you're done, all you need to do is tie the shirt around your body and you are good to go. Still need to attach the sleeves though, so just wait. Now it's time to attach the sleeves. Try on the shirt around your body, that way you know where to attach your sleeves. Once you've marked your points with some pins, just sew your sleeves to your top, and that's all you need to do for this DIY basically. Take your time, make sure it's secure such that it doesn't move about or snap open, so just make sure this is sewed on really well. And once you're done with your top. This is the final result. I am so happy with this top. I'm going to be taking it on holiday with me if I do go somewhere warm and tropical. Anyway, that is it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye!